Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it is a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside, this does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, an anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation. Also included is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, wheel and touchpad for our infotainment center. This GLE has 25,580 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.